Okay, beta. I understand. We'll miss you. Bye. Khushi called. Her leaves didn't get approved. What is the use of all this now?
Mama, see this.
Why are you showing us flight tickets now, Kabir?
Didi can't come home. So let us go to her.
And leave home during Diwali.
How are we leaving home? Home is where all of us are together. We are going home to Didi.
Home is where your people are. Swiss, taking you home this Diwali.
Okay, now everybody has to help me with the laddus. We need enough for her and her friends as well. Yeah, come on.